What you're looking at now is a very small supply of trucks because we just can't keep them in stock. The minute we get one, it's gone. So we're just having all kinds of trouble keeping these trucks in stock. We got a really nice little Ford panel truck off to my left. This is just an unbelievable Chery 52 Chevy pickup. We've got a partially restored 42 GMC truck over there. This is a nice little row of pickups. Sorry we don't have more, but boy, they're getting hard to find and they're getting expensive.